Welcome to Adventures in Knitting. In these videos, I will guide you on your knitting journey to explore your creativity and interpret your stitches. So let's get started on our next adventure. Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic cable. A cable is just when you cross one set of stitches over another set of stitches. And we're going to do a 3/3 right cross, which is featured in my Timeless Terry Glass hat pattern. It's the headband section, and I'm doing this in a bigger, chunkier yarn so you can see the stitches more easily. So a 3/3 right cross means we're going to cross 3 stitches over 3 stitches. So the first thing we need to do is work the first few stitches before the cable itself, and in this pattern we're just going to knit the first 3 stitches. And then the pattern says 3/3 right cross, 3/3 right cross. Slip 3 stitches to a cable needle and hold in back of work. So a cable needle is just a smaller needle to hold your cable stitches. I like the U-shaped one. And I use it so that I take the short end and I slide my 3 stitches off of my knitting needle onto my cable needle. And then the instructions say hold in back of work. So what I'm going to do is take my cable needle and hang it behind my stitches, and it's just going to hang out there for a minute. And then the pattern says then knit 3. So I'm just going to go ahead and knit my next 3 stitches on my knitting needle. Whoops. 1, 2, 3. And then it says knit 3 from the cable needle. So at this point I can let my left needle go, and I'm going to pick up my cable needle and I'm going to slide my stitches onto the long part of the cable needle, because now I can actually knit my cable stitches directly off of the cable needle. So I'm going to knit the next 3 stitches from the cable needle. And then I continue the pattern, which says knit to the end of the row. So for this particular pattern, it's just knitting the final 3 stitches. So what we've done is we've taken 3 stitches and crossed them over 3 stitches to create the cable cross. And as you'll see, this cable slants to the right. That's why it's called a right cable cross. And the direction of your cable is determined by where you hold your stitches on your cable needle. So if you'll recall, our pattern said to slide the stitches under a cable needle and hold the cable needle in back, so the stitches were hanging out in the back. That creates a right cross. If you slid your cable stitches onto your cable needle, held them in the front, this would form a left cross cable. One mnemonic device to remember which is to just remember the phrase, "I'll be right back." Holding your stitches in the back creates a right cable cross. So there you have it, a 3/3 right cross cable.